Hi guys, how you guys doing? I had to stop the music before they will give me copyright. Hello people, hope you're good. Okay, today's vlog I'm going shopping for the house, so you guys should accompany me. Okay, I'll see you guys. Bye.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new
Market. I'm so tired. Just coming back from the market. I'm so tired. I forgot to video, but I will do a video when I get home. Okay, bye. Hi guys, so I'm back from the market and like I said, it was raining. It was so stressful to start bringing our camera to shoot, so I just got back now. I wasn't able to video like what I was doing, so watermelon and strawberries, so good. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got. So guys, this is what I got from the market. This is sachet tomatoes, onga soup and stew, curry. These are things for soup. This is afang. My husband is a cross Riverian, so afang is their soup of choice. This is afang, so we're making granite and afang soup, granite afang soup. This is oporoko, dried pepper. What's this? Okay, they say we should not eat momo, but sorry, I can't help it. Momo, the lady promised that she prepares it herself. Dawa dawa. These are yams, guys. Oh boy, yam. These five tubers of yam cost 6,500 naira. Like, I can't remember the last time I bought yam, so I don't even know. Is that expensive? You guys should let me know in the comment section where you buy yams from. I don't know if that's expensive, because I don't think it's been a very long while I bought yam. So this is noodles. The lady was trying to play a fast phone on me and was telling me that it's 5,500 naira, but I paid 4,500 for this. This is tissue, 400 naira each. Mother, please, what's in that bag? What's that? Okay, that's ugu leaf. And what else? That's for this thing. I beg, Mother, there's something I'm not seeing. Where is the okra? Can you touch okra? Okay, so that's okra, 1,000 naira okra. There's a second one inside like that. Each bag like that is 500. Then like this, 1,000. Then that tomato, that's tomato, right? Yes. Okay, that tomato is 700 naira, if I'm not mistaken. This is what's it called? Irish potato. It's been a while we bought it. The price has really come down now. It was 2,500 as opposed to the then we have, in that yellow leather, we have beans. What is in the other black? Granite. Okay, that's granite for the granite afang soup. So that's basic. Okay, that's rice. That's about 5 noodles, right? 5 noodles. Each noodle costs 1,300, if I'm not mistaken. Then this is provisions for the children, Cocoa Pops. Okay, baby's milk, her milk, Nantu. This one is bathing soap for Mata. And this is glass cleaner for cleaning glass. Indoline. Okay, milk. Pringles for Elira. Biscuits and milk. And that is, where is the spaghetti? We did not video the spaghetti. Don't worry. So this is all we got, and everything costs approximately 50k. Yeah, I think it's worth it, right? Yeah, I think it's worth it. Unlike sometimes we go to the market and you cannot even see what you bought. But today I think I was able to get it. Maybe because I went to a different market from the one I usually go to. But I think the prices were a little bit fairer than what we usually get. So guys, that's that. That's everything I got. Then this is goat meat. Yum, yum, yum. Gosh. That's goat meat. Okay, now that one, babe.